Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. Alright, imagine this. You're an enterprise system drowning in PDFs, invoices, charts, scanned forms, and suddenly one model can see, read, and reason across all of it. Today, we're diving into Granite 4.0 vision, compact multimodal intelligence for enterprise documents. From researchers at IBM, including key contributors like Dario Gill and team. And this one is surprisingly powerful for its size. So what's the problem? Most AI systems today either understand text or images, but enterprise data, it's messy, mixed, and structured in weird ways. Think tables inside PDFs, charts with labels, scanned documents, traditional OCR pipelines. They break. They're brittle and they don't reason. We need something smarter, something unified. Enter Granite 4.0 vision, a compact multimodal model, just 3 billion parameters, but designed specifically for document understanding. Here's the core idea. It combines vision and language into a single model so it can process images, text, layouts all together. Not just read, but understand structure. For example, it can extract tables, interpret charts, answer questions about documents, and importantly, it's optimized for enterprise use cases. That means efficient size, lower compute cost, strong performance on real-world documents. Think of it like a junior analyst who can instantly scan thousands of documents and answer questions. Now, how does it actually work? The model uses a multimodal transformer architecture. Images are processed through a vision encoder, then aligned with text tokens inside a shared representation space. So instead of separating tasks, everything flows through one unified reasoning pipeline. Training is the interesting part. It's trained on a mix of document images, structured layouts, text-heavy datasets. This helps it learn not just language, but layout awareness, which is critical because in documents, position matters, structure matters, context matters, and Granite handles all three. Use cases, plenty. Invoice extraction, document Q&A, table parsing, complaints analysis. Now let's talk implementation choices. You can deploy Granite Vision in enterprise pipelines as a replacement for traditional OCR plus rules systems. Option 1, use it for end-to-end document QA, feed a PDF, ask questions directly. Option 2, use it for structure extraction, pull fields like totals, dates, entities. Option 3, combine it with other LLMs, use Granite for perception and a larger model for reasoning. That hybrid setup, very powerful. And since it's compact, it's actually feasible to run in controlled environments, which enterprises care about a lot. Now, pitfalls. First, don't assume perfect accuracy on messy scans. Low quality inputs still hurt performance. Second, layout complexity can confuse the model, especially with dense tables or unusual formats. Practical tip, pre-process documents, clean images, normalize layouts. Small improvements here lead to big gains in output quality. So yeah, Granite 4.0 vision proves something important. You don't always need massive models to solve real-world problems. Sometimes focused, efficient intelligence wins. And this is just the beginning. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.